I want to talk about the TEDx video that genuinely amazed me. The brain changing benefits of exercise by neuroscientist Wendy Suzuki. And if you are ever looking for a motivation to move your body, this TED Talk is your sign. So, what is the big idea from this TED Talk? So, Suzuki opens with the powerful statement that exercise is the most transformative thing that you can do for your brain today. That is not just self care, it is a brain revolution, and what she explained is next is equally inspiring. And in now, she talks about the immediate brain benefits. Here is the first hero of her message that even just one workout gives your brain a quick and powerful boost. A single session floods your system with dopamine, serotonin, and neuropinephrine. This activities alertness, sharpness, focus, and enhances the mood for up to 2 full hours afterward. So the long-term brain growth is like what are the benefits of long-term brain growth? So, but it doesn't stop here. Suzuki goes deeper. Consistent exercise actually reshape your brain. It grows new neurons in the hippocampus or memory center and enlarges areas like the prefrontal cortex, which handles focus and decision making. And now, next thing is protecting against the brain aging. Here is something especially powerful that regular movement helps guard against age-related decline. Over time, aerobic exercise builds up your cognitive reserve, potentially delaying dementia. And think of it as a supercharged 4001K for your brain. Now, the next part is about the science back itself. So, neuroscience confirmed that this message across the board. Multiple studies how that acute aerobic exercise boosts memory, processing speed, attention, and executing functioning, even after just one session. Long-term physical activity triggers neuroplasticity, increasing gray matter volume, improving the connectivity in key brain regions like the hippocampus and prefrontal cortex. And every drop of a sweet counts. And an article from the Economic Times recently assumed it perfectly. Dr. Suzuki frames physical activity not just an exercise but as a essential brain food. And her message is totally clear. Small, consistent movements make a big difference. Every drop of sweets counts. So the big takeaway that I get from this TED Talk was that what I really learned from it was about that what I resonate with most is how simple Suzuki keep it. You don't need a gym or fancy schedule. Even just 30 to 45 minutes of aerobic activity 2 to 3 times a day makes a measurable difference. Now when I feel mentally foggy, I will tell myself move your body, sharpen your brain. And the quick recap about this, like what's the impact and what is the benefit, like I have a chart. Impact is improves mood, focus, and reaction up to 2 hours. And the benefit is immediate boost. And then second thing is about builds memory and executive regions, uh, hippocampus and prefrontal cortex, and benefit is neuroplastic growth. And third thing is about strengthens the brain against aging and dementia, and the benefit is cognitive protection. And the last one is regular activity, big or small, adds up any movement health. So I found that Wendy Suzuki's talk deeply empowering. It reminds us that exercise isn't just about the body; it's about the foundational for a sharp, thriving mind. So next time you are templated to skip movement, just remember your brain is counting on it. So this was my review on this TED Talk video. I hope you all like it and learn for a lot from it. And I'm also suggesting you that you have to watch this TED Talk video if you really want to transform your body or really want to become fit in your life. So you can watch because she truly inspires us to do something new. We don't need any schedule. We don't need to go to gym for the body building or to fit or to be fit. We just need to have to be regular in our home. We have to do exercise, normal exercise that can help us to do. So this was my today's TEDx studio review. I hope you all like it. I will see you in our next TEDx studio review. Till then, Allah Hafiz, and in end, as always, Pakistan Zindabad. Take care of you. Allah Hafiz. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and stay curious. Allah Hafiz.